A 25-year-old businessman has been charged for allegedly defrauding a local commercial bank of over $600,000 or nearly 100 million Jamaican dollars. Defrauding Hines, operator of Original 24K Clothing Company, was arrested on Monday during a joint operation involving the JCF's financial unit and the Counter-Terrorism and Organized Crime Investigation Division (CTOC). Investigators allege that between November 13 and December 28, 2022, he manipulated a point-of-sale terminal issued by the bank and used it to conduct unauthorized offline transactions. During the joint operation at his home in Old Harbour, St. Catherine, 5 cell phones belonging to the suspect, his spouse and his brother were seized. 2 locked safes and cash totaling nearly $2 million were also confiscated. Hines is facing charges of simple larceny, conspiracy to defraud, possession of criminal property, and engaging in a transaction involving criminal property. He was granted station bail in the amount of $400,000 and is scheduled to appear before the Kingston and St. Andrew Parish Court on June 10.